Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a heartfelt episode of Orange English. This is Sophia, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice. We are focusing on talking about family in English, a cherished topic for describing relatives, relationships, traditions, and shared experiences that shape our lives. Discussing family fosters closeness and understanding in conversations. This session is comforting and adaptable. Practice during family moments, on a reflective walk, before gatherings, or in a tranquil space. Shadowing is nurturing and effective. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase concurrently. Match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as suitable. Exactness is secondary. Prioritize warm expression and sincerity. Let us begin. I come from a large family. I come from a large family. We have 5 siblings in total. We have 5 siblings in total. Gatherings are always lively. Gatherings are always lively. Laughter fills the room. Laughter fills the room. My parents are very supportive. My parents are very supportive. Mom cooks delicious meals. Mom cooks delicious meals. Dad tells interesting stories. Dad tells interesting stories. They raised us with love. They raised us with love. I have 2 older brothers. I have 2 older brothers. They protect me always. They protect me always. 1 younger sister too. 1 younger sister too. We share everything together. We share everything together. Grandparents live nearby. Grandparents live nearby. Visits bring warm hugs. Visits bring warm hugs. Wisdom shared generously. Wisdom shared generously. Traditions passed down. Traditions passed down. Aunts and uncles join holidays. Aunts and uncles join holidays. Cousins play endlessly. Cousins play endlessly. Extended family feels close. Extended family feels close. Bonds remain strong. Bonds remain strong. Family traditions are important. Family traditions are important. Sunday dinners every week. Sunday dinners every week. Birthday celebrations special. Birthday celebrations special. Stories retold fondly. Stories retold fondly. We celebrate festivals together. We celebrate festivals together. Decorations and food prepared. Decorations and food prepared. Joy multiplies in company. Joy multiplies in company. Memories created lasting. Memories created lasting. Childhood memories involve play. Childhood memories involve play. Games in the backyard. Games in the backyard. Vacations by the sea. Vacations by the sea. Photos capture happiness. Photos capture happiness.
Family supports during challenges. Family supports during challenges. Encouragement lifts spirits. Encouragement lifts spirits. Advice given wisely. Advice given wisely. Strength drawn from unity. Strength drawn from unity. I call my family often. I call my family often. Updates shared regularly. Updates shared regularly. Distance feels shorter. Distance feels shorter. Connection stays alive. Connection stays alive. Pets are family members too. Pets are family members too. Dog greets enthusiastically. Dog greets enthusiastically. Cat curls up quietly. Cat curls up quietly. Love, unconditional given. Love, unconditional given. Family shapes our values. Family shapes our values. Kindness learned early. Kindness learned early. Respect emphasized always. Respect emphasized always. Gratitude practiced daily. Gratitude practiced daily. Differences exist sometimes. Differences exist sometimes. Discussions resolve them. Discussions resolve them. Forgiveness heals quickly. Forgiveness heals quickly. Love overcomes all. Love overcomes all. Future family dreams include. Future family dreams include children and grandchildren, perhaps. Children and grandchildren, perhaps. Continuing cherished customs. Continuing cherished customs. Legacy of warmth. Legacy of warmth. Talking about family evokes emotion. Talking about family evokes emotion. Details personalize stories. Details personalize stories. Questions deepen bonds. Questions deepen bonds. Listening shows care. Listening shows care. Warm tone conveys affection. Warm tone conveys affection. Adjectives enrich descriptions. Adjectives enrich descriptions. Close-knit, loving, supportive. Close-knit, loving, supportive. Authenticity resonates deeply. Authenticity resonates deeply. Shadowing nurtures tender expression. Shadowing nurtures tender expression. Repetition familiarizes heartfelt phrases. Repetition familiarizes heartfelt phrases. Intonation carries warmth. Intonation carries warmth. Your delivery is blossoming. Your delivery is blossoming. Wonderful openness today, everyone. This shadowing session on talking about family is now complete. You can now share about your relatives more warmly in English. Weave these phrases into personal exchanges. Return soon for more topics on Orange English. This is Sophia. Thank you for your trust. Cherish your family, speak from the heart, and keep progressing. Until next time.